Hey everyone, welcome to another tutorial, and today we are going to color a Sun-Shroom from Plants vs. Zombies. So let's get started. So now let's begin with the head of the mushroom. So I'm going to be using with yellow. And just as you know that I'm not going to be coloring in with the spots, but you will see the next color. Then I need to use a mango color. It looks a little bit of a yellow. Yeah, but it's orangey. You can grab any other type of orange, but try not to mix too hard. In fact, if you need a yellow, because this is part of the yellow color. So now we're on to his face. Before we color the face, I just need a tone color. We need khaki. And then we're gonna color peach. So you can see the gradient as how I made there, like at for the depths at the right side. Yeah, because I will be applying with this color too. And finally, let's end with black. And we're done! Wow, I like my Sun-Shroom artwork, how it turns out. Yours looking cute. Yep, looks similar to that. Yeah, I hope you guys draw and color pretty well. And I will look forward to see you on my next tutorial.